Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Ravi indicator for MT4 and MT5. This momentum tool, also known as the range action verification index, measures the difference between two moving averages to identify whether markets are trending or ranging. In this video, you will see how the indicator is calculated, how its output is interpreted, and which trading applications are described. The Ravi indicator was developed by Tushar Shande and calculates the difference between a fast EMA and a slow EMA, expressing this difference as a percentage of the slower moving average. Its primary purpose is to detect whether a market is trending or ranging by measuring the magnitude of the gap between the two averages. When the percentage difference exceeds a predefined threshold, the indicator suggests a trending market, and when it remains below the threshold, it indicates consolidation or ranging conditions. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, so just like that, we have it installed on the chart, and it's quite easy to interpret. On MT4 and MT5, the Ravi indicator is plotted in a separate window as a line that oscillates above and below a central zero line. Positive and rising values indicate a strong bullish trend with the fast EMA above the slow EMA and the gap widening, while negative and falling values suggest a strong bearish trend. Flat or near zero readings indicate a sideways or ranging market where price action lacks momentum and direction. As for the settings, let's take a look. The default settings typically use a 7-period fast EMA and a 65-period slow EMA, with threshold levels usually set at plus or minus 0.3% or 0.5% depending on volatility and instrument behavior. These values can be adjusted depending on the trader's strategy, time frame, and risk tolerance, with shorter periods for intraday trading and longer periods for position trading. The indicator is fully customizable in MT5, allowing traders to adjust EMA periods, threshold levels, and applying smoothing techniques to reduce noise. As for who is for, the Ravi indicator is suitable for traders who want to filter out range-bound markets and focus on trending conditions, making it valuable for trend-following systems and breakout strategies. It helps eliminate trades during periods of low volatility and directionless movements, providing a clear filter for high momentum opportunities. However, since it relies on moving averages, Ravi may lag behind price action and give delayed signals, and sudden market spikes or news events can create misleading momentum surges, so it is best used in conjunction with other indicators or price action analysis. You can download the Ravi indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the percentage-based momentum calculation can help traders distinguish trending markets from ranging phases. If you like trend filtering tools, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 indicator content.